Alright, so in this haircut we are going to do a bob with layers. Now, the layers are going to give the bob a lot more volume. They're going to make the hair look fuller and thicker. So, the very first thing we're going to do is execute the bob by first cutting in the outline. So you can see I've got a center section down the middle of the back, two A-line sections that the clips are holding the hair away, and I've got this very first section that I'm combing straight down, and that very first section is my guide for the outline for the rest of the haircut. From here on out, I'm going to comb all of the future sections down to this section to know how short to cut the current section that I'd be working on. And I'm going to work my way up the top of the head. Once we get done with the outline, then at that point we will start the layering. Alright, so now it is time to start the layering. You can see I've got a center section in the middle of the back. I'm combing it straight back, and then from there I'm cutting a square section. I'm going to take another section to the left, over direct it to that first section, which is the previous section, and then I'm going to use that previous section as my guide. Now I'm going to do that for all of the hair on the left, and once I've completed that, then I will do that for all of the hair on the right. Alright, so now that I've completed cutting the layers on the left side, it is now time to do the layers on the right side. As you can see, I've got a section, over directing it to the previous section, and I'm going to continue to work my way around the right side of the head, right there. And once I've completed this, then we will go ahead and continue on with the rest of the haircut. Alright, so you can see the hair has been dried, and now I am going through and trimming up the bangs. And once I've completed the bangs, we will be all done with this haircut. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out the layers, how it makes the hair look so much more fuller and thicker. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you so much again for watching.